The Niger Senate don defend the big increase wey dey for the 2025 Rivers State budget, say the change dey important, go favour the people and e go help maintain peace and development under the current emergency government. Rivers State Sole Administrator, Vice Admiral Ibok-Ete present new budget of 1.846 trillion naira give the Senate Ad-hoc Committee wey dey in charge of the oversight. Dis na 360 billion naira pass the first budget of 1.486 trillion wey President Bola Tinubu bin submit.
The total expenditure plan for 2025, like I stated earlier, is 1.80 trillion naira as submitted to Mr. President. However, after receipt of the additional information on the first quarter expenditure, the reviewed projected expenditure for 2025 is 1.846 trillion naira.
Senate leader Senator Okpeyemi Bamidele come talk say na about 85% of the budget dem don already write since time of the former government before dem declare emergency rule. Say the new changes na to match wetin dey important now, like infrastructure and public welfare. He come talk say na urgent capital project and better welfare plans cause the increase, and one major thing na the 50 billion wey dem keep for unpaid pensions and gratuity to make sure say retired public workers get their dues and society dey stable.
At least 85% of the budget estimates presented to us today were the budget estimates already drawn up by the Fubara-led administration before the emergency rule. They had increased it by some 15% or so based on projects, additional projects that needed to be executed.
Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimwa, TMC News.